So first question, investing directly in the health, education and welfare of our peoples no longer a social and moral agenda, it is also a long-term economic agenda. Discuss. So answer, to achieve the objective of becoming $5 trillion a giant by 2024 to 25, and India will need to sustain a GDP growth rate of 8%, which can be achieved through inclusive sustainable growth. As per the economic survey of 2018 and 19, India's growth rate, not only in terms of economy but also the socio-economic condition, are imparting, such as first, as the total fertility rate TFR for India as a whole is 2.3 currently and will be lower than the replacement rate in 2021. Also, the scheme like Manrega, Swachh Bharat, Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, and try to bring influential change in the socio-economic development of society. Then, second, similarly, to sample registration system reported the decline of MMR, maternal mortality rate. So decline of maternal mortality rate, which is only possible because of initiative like Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana and Poshan Abhiyan, JSY, Janani Suraksha Yojana and PM-SHA. Thus, these are the landmark process for India for achieving Sustainable Development Goal (SDG). However, the country has to focus much on health issue and other like developmental framework to sustain in the era of globalization. First, as for the Global Hunger Index, India ranked 102 out of 117 countries, behind its neighboring such as Nepal, Bangladesh, Pakistan. Also, the share of wasting among children in India rose from 16.5% 2008 to 20.8% 2014 to 18. Also, there is deficiency of doctors in the remote area. As per the WHO recommendation, the ratio should be 1:1000. As for the annual status of education report AACR 2018, only 50% of Indian students in class 5 can read. Also, the countries like South Africa expand 6% of their GDP on education, whereas India expand only 4% of its GDP. Therefore, it's crucial that government set its priorities and takes positive steps to make India a truly developed nation through focusing on primary education, health, skill development, and inclusive growth. Thank you. Next question, the Transgender Person Bill meant to protect India's transgender community has failed to pacify and meet demands of all aggrieved stakeholders. Critically analyze.